Okay, we showed you about how to clean desktop, right? So we have this one. You take the window and plus on, you see it, and pass the thing, say, click the OK, and then touch the control and plus A and delete all the item. Okay. That's all. And then one more, like before, you click the control and C plus C and click the window and plus on, click the control and the or T, so click OK. And then how this one, you click yes, okay, click split, and which one you want to scan the virus. The one is soft scan, is full scan. I recommend for you can click the soft scan virus. The full scan virus is a long time. Okay, the soft scan virus. Click it. Waiting it maybe 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, continue. When the finish the scan virus, can click the finish. Okay, it's done. And then one more the feature, the desktop cleaner. You can choose the Privacy or Journey, which one you want to do. So I'm sure the Privacy and then click the OK. You need to touch on the book out as well. Click and make sure the clean you want to choose is right. Will have the system file, but I don't want to clean before click the clean no more, so click OK and then delete the file. I think it may be seen. This one finished. For the clean your computer, you can please follow me. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day.